So I don't know if you've looked into the double slit experiment in quantum physics, but they talk about how when someone is observing or viewing these particles, the particles basically exist in like a quantum energy field of infinite possibilities, and when the person observes or watches these particles react, then what happens is they react in the way that the person expects them to, which means that their consciousness is affecting these to react in a certain way. So that doesn't happen only on the small atomic level, but that happens to the big atoms too. Who are the big atoms? That's me and you. So if you look at our physiology, we have torus fields. Our heart is the centre of this torus field. We are big atoms. And again, if you look at the cosmos, that is a giant atom. And so there's atoms within atoms within atoms. All is atom, as they say. So when you expect someone to behave in a certain way or put spells on them and say that they are a certain way, then they can start behaving in that certain way because your energy and your consciousness has basically gone to them and affected them and conditioned them in that way. So just as it happens on the small scale, it also happens on the large scale as well. So careful what you say and think about people, and don't just presume someone's going to react in a certain way, even if they usually react in a negative way or whatever. Don't expect that of them, because you could actually be creating and causing that just through the way that you believe they're going to react. Because if you approach someone and you already think they're going to be arsey about it, then it's possible that the way that you even speak to them has an arsey energy in it, because you're giving it to them to project that back to you, to kind of show you the way that you view the world, the way that you project yourself out onto the mirrors around you. So just be aware.